Hi, my name is Ricardo, and today I want to talk to you about reporting in Travel Contact. Now, when you sign up for Travel Contact, within Travel Contact, you will see that we have our standard reports. Here you can see reports on the transactional end and also business intelligence. Over the last couple of months, we finalized our integration with Tableau. Now, Tableau is a company that specializes in advanced reporting capabilities. And what this means to you is that if you choose to also integrate your Travel Contact with Tableau, which we will do in the back end, you will have access to an amazing tool that will allow you to see all your data real time. Now, in Tableau, there are two key features that I want to mention. The first one is when you come to the Explorer section on Tableau, you will see a Generals folder, and you will also see a folder with your agency name. Now, in the general folder, these are all the reports that we as Travel Contact will publish for you in Tableau. When you come in here, you will see that we have a vast majority of reports already built for you. For example, when you go into the destinations report, you will see that this report has approximately 6 individual reports within this actual visualization. When you enter one of these visualizations, this is the dashboard, you will now see all the data that the destination report brings. Once the system loads, in this case, for example, you can see all your sales by top destinations. You have multiple different options within the system. The first thing is you can see destination by countries. And the nice thing about this is when you select on this specific country, all the data around the dashboard will actually update based on the data for this specific country. Now, we have multiple filters on the right. You can filter by service dates, either start or end dates. If you are a host agency, you can filter by sub-agencies, by supplier, and all this information is exportable into Excel. Now, you can export, as I just mentioned, in Excel, or you can also download as an image, data point, or PDF. The other nice thing about this is you can view all this data by advisors, and you can actually start filtering this information. And then, as I mentioned, you can also export all this data into Excel, and you can download that summary file as well. Now, within this, you have multiple different reports, as I mentioned before. If we go back to the general section, you can see, for example, a report by suppliers. So in this instance, when we go to the dashboard of this visualization, the reports that we'll be able to see here are everything based on the suppliers that you have in the system. So in this case, for example, you have the company and you have the brand. You can view all the data on a yearly basis. You can view data by supplier types. And up here, you have multiple tabs to dive deeper into these reports. So you can look at the companies. In this case, for example, if you look at just 4 seasons and all the sales you've done in 4 seasons, you can also export this data, or you can do this as brands as well. Now, there are 4 reports that we have so far. So we have a destinations report, services status report, the suppliers report, and then down here, we also have the trips report. All of this, again, is exportable into PDF and Excel. But the nice thing about how Tableau works is that you also have the ability to build your own customizable reports. And that's what this folder is for. So if you come into this folder and you come into new and you click on workbook, you can actually create your own visualization and you can choose which data you want to connect to, either services, trips, costs, income, invoices, or non-service payment fees. These are all the data points that come from Travel Contact, and you can build reports around these different data points. Now, Tableau offers multiple learning tools for building your own reports. We will have all of those readily available for you so that as you start using Tableau and get more familiarized with it, you can start building your own customizable reports. As with anything in Travel Contact, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.